So good evening, everyone. Welcome to Twin Webinar. Today we have a beautiful webinar, Success Through Goal Setting. And the second one, Alternative Business Opportunity Part 4, which is our last and concluding part today. So before we start, I would request each of you to kindly mute yourself. So let me welcome Ms. Kalyani Kamble, who is life coach, visionary expert, and also an author. She is founder of Visioneering Life, co-founder of Prescient Strategies. Kalyani is certified life and leadership coach from NABET. She has impacted more than 50,000 people across 5 countries. Let me tell you, I am also one of them. So Kalyani is into training, coaching industry since last 15 years and has conducted more than 300 workshops for corporate as well as business owners. She has received an award for Best Coach 2018 by World HRD Congress and ET Now. Her articles have been featured in several leading magazines and newspapers, including Economic Times as well. Her vision is to inspire business owners to reach their highest potential. Welcome, Kalyani, over to you. And I'm making you the host, and I would request you to, in between, if people come, to please admit them as well.
Chaitali, I think if you just disable the meeting room, you can admit them. Because when I am presenting, I cannot pay attention to people who are coming in and admit them. You know, it will just obstruct my flow of presentation.
Okay. So what I have to do is.
So if you can do that, it'll be great. So we can have more than 2 hosts for the session. Because when I'm presenting, I would only like to present.
1 minute. I will.
You disable the meeting room. There is.
I've done that. Yeah, I've done
Correct.
that.
So now people can log in, and host has disabled participant screen sharing. So if you could switch on my screen sharing, then I can share my power.
I have made you host as well.
Okay, cool. Just a moment. Okay, great. Welcome everyone, and thank you, Chaitali. You're such a sweetheart. Thank you for that lovely introduction, and thank you for this opportunity for presenting at the Women Entrepreneurs Enclave. Chaitali and I go a long way, and it's in fact, you know, I think I have been there since the inception of Women Entrepreneurs Enclave.
Yes, before we launched, you are there.
Yes, I feel so proud of Chaitali, and I feel so proud of the way she has got we from where it started to where it is now at a national level. So I'm always ready to do anything and everything for Chaitali. So believe me, my dear friends, what I'm going to share with you is something I actually share.
Kalyani,
yeah.
Voice. Yeah. Now it is.
It's clear?
Yeah, now it's clear. Yeah.
Okay. For Women Entrepreneurs Enclave and all you special people that I have this session for. So today we are going to do the goal setting for success and goal setting for success. So I'm straight away going to go to the topic, my dear friends, because I believe the fact that you are here, you already know why goal setting is important. You already know how it helps for success. Because we only have a short time capsule, I'd like to give you more values. So I would like to straight away get to the topic. What I am going to give you is 9 subconscious reasons. 9 subconscious reasons why you don't succeed at goals. Ask yourself an honest question. Today we are almost in the mid of June 2020. When you began the new year, you had many New Year resolutions. Be very honest with yourself and ask how many of them have you achieved, how many of them you're even halfway, because it's June 2020, we are almost half year now. So when a half year is a great time to literally do some analysis and track some of your goals. That's one question to you. My second question to you is, again, honestly ask yourself, there are so many things you want to do, so many goals you want to achieve, but how many of them have you really taken action about? Another common thing that happens is people set goals, but they're not able to achieve them. You begin doing something, you do it for a few days or maybe for a month, and then you give up. And this is a major problem with most of them. Another challenge is people procrastinate a lot. Okay, so I'm going to share with you 9 subconscious reasons as why most people don't succeed at achieving their goals. Then I'm going to give you 3 powerful goal achievement techniques. I'm going to give you 3 powerful goal achievement techniques. I'm going to give you steps. I'm going to give you a step-by-step formula of effective goal setting that works. Effective goal setting that works. And I'm going to give you 2 free goal setting tools. 2 free goal setting tools. So are you all excited for the session? And if you are excited, then please type yes in the chat box. I want to see quick yeses in the chat box. See, because the more excited you are, the more excited I get to contribute and give more. So I see that there are 23 participants in the room. So I got to see 23 yeses. Come on, everybody. Say yes to life. Life brings you abundance. Life has given you, gives you lot of opportunities. All you have to do is be there and say yes. Say you want more. Okay, great. I am very excited and thank you so much. Now, one of the main reasons why you should set goals. One of the main reasons why you should set goals, my dear friends. So there are a lot of reasons why you should set goals. Some of the ones are that goals give you clarity, they keep you motivated. People who set goals are more likely to be successful in their life. People who set goals are more likely to be more positive in their life. And there are many reasons why you should be setting goals. But one of the main reasons why you should set goals is that it gives you focus. It gives you focus of what is important for you in your life. It gives you a sense of meaning and purpose of why you should wake up every morning and feel excited and happy to take on this beautiful day. Because I live a life of meaning and purpose and I have goals. And my goals are the ones that impact the world, that inspire and impact the world. When you have great level of focus, you know how to say no. You know how to say no to all the things that don't matter. You know how to say no to all the distractions. You know how to say no for all the criticism and the negativity around you. You know how to say no to all the toxic people in your life that pull you down from achieving your goals and all the negative thinking. Focus, focus, focus. That is one word that goals give you. Because when you know where to focus, what happens is, your brain is an amazing organ. Multitasking is a myth. Listen to me. Multitasking is a myth. You can focus on only one thing at a time. You can focus on only one thing at a time. I want all of you to do this exercise with me. Come on. I want all of you to do this exercise with me. I want you to take your hand like this. Take your hand, put it in front of yourself. Put it in front of yourself. And I want you to look at your hand like this. Okay? Just put your hand in front of yourself and I want you to look at your hand. I hope everyone's doing this. Okay? And now I want you to shift your focus to your laptop, to the webinar, to me. I want you to look at me. Very good. Thank you. And I want you to look at your hand again. Come on, look at your hand again. Look at your hand again. And now look at me. Look at your hand and look at me. And now try to look at both the things at the same time. Try to look at your hand and try to look at me at the same time. I request the participants to be on mute, please. Everyone on mute. I thought even you can mute them. There is a mute all option. Please mute yourself. People, please be responsible. Mute yourself. Because when I speak, who is real me? Somebody real me is on unmute. Please mute yourself. Even you can mute them. Yes, thank you everyone. Please be responsible and stay on mute. Thank you. Because when I speak, I'm in this sort of state of flow and then suddenly if there's someone speaking, it puts a break and I don't know what to speak next because I don't script myself. I go with the flow. I'm a very intuitive speaker. So yes, focus. Now, did you notice when you're looking at your hand and you're looking at the laptop? Now, my challenge to you is look at the both at the same time. Look at the both at the same time. Hold your hand this way and try to look at the laptop. Try to look at me and your hand at the same time. And believe me, you can't do that with equal attention. You either have to like shift your neck or your eyes to your hand and to the laptop. And you can't do that at a time. That's the power of focus. You can only focus on one thing at a time. And hence it is very important that you set goals because they help you focus. They help you focus on what is important for you. Remember, where focus goes, energy flows. Where focus goes, energy flows. And hence it is so important to make sure that you know where your focus goes. So I know Chaitali has already given an introduction of me. Something additional I'd like to share about me and why I talk about goals is, if there's one topic I can talk about all my life, is goal setting. If I have to choose one topic, which is the most important topic that people need to know of, is goal setting. And the reason I can do this is because I have more than 15 years of experience. I have impacted more than 25,000 people in 5 countries. And I'm amongst the few trainers in India to conduct the Firewalk Breakthrough Workshop. Here are some of the corporates I have worked with. I've worked with more than 200 prestigious leading names. I've conducted workshops for them. And this is the name of my book, 31 Days to the Best Version of You, where I talk about 31 scientific activities that will help you transform your life. So be rest assured, whatever I'm presenting to you is out of great experience and research. I have read more than 200 books and with a deep passion for what I do. So let me give you 9 reasons why we are not able to succeed, why we are not able to succeed at our goals. Number 1 reason is we do not set specific goals. हमको पता ही नहीं है हमको क्या चाहिए. The reason why people don't get what they want is because they don't know what they want. They don't have that sense of clarity. So they are not specific, they are very vague. Number 2 psychological subconscious reason why people are not able to achieve their goals is they have self-doubt. Lots of self-doubt. I want you to put your hand on your heart and like really ask yourself, do you see yourself being a billionaire? Do you see yourself having this wild, exceptional success in your life? Do you see yourself on that world stage? Really put your hand on heart and with each and every cell of your body, tell me if you feel that alignment, that complete surety of getting what you want in life and achieving all your dreams. The challenge is that many people have a self-doubt. मैं कर पाऊंगी कि नहीं? Do you think I'll be able to do it? I don't think I can do it. I don't think I'm good enough. I don't think I'm worth it. And so many other self-limiting beliefs. The number 3 reason why people don't achieve their goals, and if this is what you are doing, then please make sure you stop that. They're not taking daily action. They are not taking daily action towards their goals. Goals is not something you do in the first week of Jan, my dear friends, only because it's the New Year time and it's, you know, in trend to do New Year resolution. It's not something you do just 1 month. You got to be breathing your goals day in and day out, and you got to be taking daily actions on your goals. The number 4 reason is people give up too soon. People give up too soon. And the reason is that we all want instant gratification. We want quick results. Jo nahi hota hai. Okay, things take time. And we got to program ourselves for delayed gratification. The challenge nowadays is we want quick results. We want instant gratification. And because when we don't get that, we just tend to get bored. Or if we don't see quick results in our life, we just give up too soon. Another reason is comfort zones. We are very lazy and we love being in our comfort zones. We don't see ourselves as brilliant. We don't see ourselves as phenomenal. And that's the reason you tend to be in your comfort zone. Number 6, goals are not inspiring and motivating because here's the secret. Most goals are set because it's something that got to be done, or it's something you do to prove something to someone. Okay? They are not truly your own goals. They're not inspiring. They're not motivating. You're not enjoying. You're not getting the fun and the kick of achieving these goals. Number 7, and very, very important, is not having the clarity of why you want what you want in your life. Not having a clarity of what your life purpose is, what your vision and values are. Values are the absolute foundational, fundamental work that you got to be doing when it comes to your life design. You have focus issues, number 8. Obviously, if you don't have clarity, you will always have focus issues. You will get very distracted. You'll be stuck in past. You will quickly get distracted by someone who says something negative to you, pull down or criticize you. And number 9 reason, most important reason why people don't achieve their goals is because they only do conscious level goal setting, which is only 10%. They don't do subconscious level goal setting. They don't know the power of subconscious mind. They don't know the language of subconscious mind, because the power to achieve your goals, 90% of it comes from your subconscious mind. So right now, you're working at a conscious level with me. But if you really want to achieve all your goals, make sure you program your subconscious mind. And in my Visioneering online masterclass, which we're doing specially for the Women Entrepreneur Enclave, is where we teach you the power of subconscious mind. And we give you 11 subconscious mind programming techniques that will help you build powerful habits. So know the power of subconscious mind. Because listen to me, your conscious mind is the goal setter and your subconscious mind is the goal achiever. With me, everybody? Your conscious mind is the goal setter and your subconscious mind is the goal achiever. And if both of them are not working in alignment together, you tend to give up because of all these 9 reasons. Okay, because consciously we all know this is what I should be doing. I should be losing weight. I should be exercising well. I should be taking care of my finances, saving more, working on my personality, working on my emotions, working on my business. The lockdown period has resulted in a shutdown of many businesses as well as a startup of many businesses. So whatever it is for you, we're not doing that because we're not truly empowered by our subconscious mind. So pay attention to these 9 reasons, and if you have any one of them, please work on it. Because I totally believe that before you create something, you got to destroy something. With me, everybody, listen to me. Before you create something, you got to destroy something. Okay, and hence it's very important to let go of all of these in order for having effective goal setting that really works. Having an effective goal setting that really works, and see that phenomenal success in your life. So here's a quick 7-step process for effective goal setting that works. 7 steps effective goal setting that works. I have personally worked one-on-one with more than 500 business owners, one-on-one on their success mindset, and help them set goals. And these are the 7 steps that lead to effective goal setting. So the number 1 thing that I want you to do, all of you, my dear friends, is identify where you are now and where you want to go. Identify where you are now and where you want to go. Identify where you are now and where you want to go. Number 2, get the clarity of your, I like to call it the VVIP. So normally, what does VVIP mean? A very important person, isn't it? And I totally believe that you got to be a very important person for you. And I like to call goals as the very important project of your life, a very important project. And for me, the VVIP is the values, vision, identity, and the purpose of life. And this is one of the reasons why people are not able to achieve their goals, because they don't understand that the first step to achieve the goals is to have a strong value system, having a clarity of values, vision, your identity, who you are, your strength and weakness, and your ultimate life purpose, At the Visioneering Masterclass that we are going to soon conduct for you, you're going to get a clarity of all of this along with a VVIP workbook where you will step-by-step work with me to achieve your goals. Number 3, have a design. Write a design. Okay. Now, Visioneering Masterclass has a tagline called as Life by Design. Pay attention. We design our clothes, we design our homes. The biggest structures in the world you see were first a design. My question to you, do you have a design for your life? Do you have a life plan in place with a clarity of what you want in your life and where you will see 1 year from now, 2 years from now? Do you know a research says that only 10% people in the world set goals. Only 10% people in the world set goals. And 90% people are living in their comfort zones. And these 90% people only have dreams, desires, and wishes. What if, I wish I could, but if. They're just living in that world. And they don't really end up achieving anything. The 10% of people in the world who set goals are the ones who get higher success in their life. And they know how to convert their dreams into reality. So goals is the way of converting your dreams into reality, and not just merely have dreams and wishes in your life. Can you mute yourself? Thank you. The number 4 reason, so this is what you got to be doing. So we have 11 critical areas of life, some of which I will take you through in the next slide, which is your family, your business, your personal growth. Make a design, make a life plan. Believe me, it doesn't take much. With the tools that I will give you, you can very easily design your life. Now, what I want you to do is, after you make sort of your goal list, I want you to choose the top 3 goals for 2020. I want to choose you to choose the top 3 goals for 2020. Okay. Now, you know, this is actually called as the Warren Buffett way of goal setting. So Warren Buffett says that write down 25 goals that you want to achieve, and now select only 3 of them and focus on them and only work on them. Forget about everything else because they will distract you. So then choose the top 3. Once you look at all the 11 critical areas of your life, which is that area which is very pressing and calling, which needs attention. And then choose the top 3 goals for 2020. Like one of my top 3 goals for 2020 is to write 3 inspirational books. I've already written one. The second one I'm writing, and I'm going to make sure that by the end of 2020, I've written. The number 5 reason is to make an action plan. Okay, action plan is a daily action plan, things that you will do on a daily basis. Look, you got to reverse engineer your life. The first thing that comes is your life purpose, your vision. The second thing after that is goals. Goals is that plan to help you achieve your life purpose. And then making daily action plan is nothing but your time management. You know, how you will manage your 24 hours which will be dedicated to your goal achievement. How you will manage your 24 hours for your goal achievement. Daily action plan. Number 6, most important, one of the reasons why goals fail and they don't work is because people set the goals but they never really work at tracking the goals. It's very important to track your goals. So in order to track your goals, you can do some things like, number 1, there are a lot of goal setting apps available nowadays. The one that I use is Nozbe and Goalify. Just go to your Play Store or App Store and type goal planner or goal tracker. Use any of these words, and even if you use the word goal, you will get many apps over there. Some are free, some are paid. Quite some free features are good enough for you to get started, and this is one way you could track your goals. Look, the smartphone is a smart device when you learn to use it smartly. Okay, so it's very important. So I have put a tracking system. It gives me reminders, some goals which I need a reminder for weekly, some goals which I need a reminder for daily. So I'm using these tracking tools. Then there are a lot of softwares available. There is one software called as LifeTick and Goal Enhancer, which you can use, especially if you have a team to work with. You can try monday.com. So these are some of the tracking, goal tracking system. The second goal tracking way you could use is the good old way of having a diary. I am an old school person, so along with the smart way, the apps that I use, I also love to write down my goals and recheck them. I check them on a daily basis. I ask myself on a weekly basis on a scale of 1 to 10 how closer I am to achieve my goals. So that is one tracking system I use. The other tracking system you could use is get an accountability partner. Get an accountability partner. An accountability partner can be a coach like me, can be a mentor, someone who will handhold you, who will push you towards excellence, who will give you the clarity and have you accountable for your goals. Okay. See, one of the reasons why having a nutritionist to achieve your weight loss goals is because the nutritionist keeps you accountable, isn't it? Otherwise, without her, you wouldn't be able to achieve your goals. It's the same way with a life coach. A life coach helps you stay accountable towards your goals, gives you goals which you can achieve on a daily and a weekly basis, and pushes you towards excellence. So these are some of the ways you could track your goals. And most important step of goal setting is make sure that you are celebrating small wins, So when you achieve even the smallest success, make sure you're celebrating, you're giving yourself a lot of appreciation, you're pampering yourself, you're giving yourself some reward, because the way habits are formed is by rewards. And when you celebrate, you release loads of happy hormones in your body, which motivates you to achieve your goals further, Remember, I told you we all want instant gratification, and when goals take too much time to achieve, we tend to give up. So convert these goals into smaller chunks, into smaller daily doable action plans, like I've told you in step 5. And whatever you are able to accomplish, really applaud yourself and appreciate yourself for doing that, or have your accountability partner do that for you. Your accountability partner can also be a very good friend that you have. Just make sure it is someone whom you look upon, someone whom you respect, that when the person follows up with you, you will really make sure that you are, you stay committed. So here's a quick activity I want all of you to do with me, with your pen and paper. Here's a quick activity I want you to do with me. And what I want you to do is, I want you to these areas of life on a scale of 1 to 5. 1 being extremely dissatisfied, low satisfaction, to 5 being extremely satisfied, So quickly, be very honest. I don't want you to share this on the chat. This is entirely for your own reference. Remember, I told you the first step to setting goals. Look at the first step to setting goals is know where you are so that you can know where you want to go. So you got to bridge that gap with your goal setting, correct? So this is one of the tools you can use for what we call as situation analysis. There are a lot of other tools that as a coach we use to help you identify where you currently are. So quickly do this with me, dear friends. Number 1, give yourself a rating on scale of 1 to 5 for your business. 5 means superb, going on very well, extremely satisfied. If you are in a career, then give yourself a score for your career. If you're a student, and 1 being low satisfaction. Then give yourself a score for friends. Your social life, your friendships. Give yourself a score on 1 on 5. Very good. And now for the family, give yourself a score on 1 on 5 for your family. If your family life is 5 on 5, currently for a lot of them it's going really well, because we've had like a 3-month-long lockdown that gave an opportunity for a lot of us to connect with our families. The personal passion is nothing but your personal growth, things that you enjoy doing, your spiritual growth, meditation, mental health, and your health. Are you happy with your physical health? And when I talk of health, mostly people only think of weight loss, but there are so many other things when you can do when it comes to your health. Okay, maybe just having more stamina, having more energy, having more flexibility, or maybe a recurrent health issue like acidity. So just give yourself a score on 1 on 5. Very good. So this is one simple way I thought in this webinar we could just get a little clarity. Now choose one area of your life which is very pressing right now, which needs immediate attention. One area of your life which needs immediate attention right now. Okay, maybe it's your health, maybe it's business, maybe it's your personal passion, anyone. Okay, and I'm going to give you 3 powerful strategies. So are you ready for the 3 powerful strategies, for the 3 powerful techniques? Then say yes to me on the chat, and I want to see as many as yes. And I hope so far the session is adding value to you. If it's adding value to you, say yes. Say yes, I am loving it. And if you've loved the clarity I have tried to give you in this short time, then say that. Then I feel very energetic and motivated. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. All right, quickly. So let's begin with the techniques, the very powerful goal setting techniques. So one of the most common and the most easiest and the most effective goal setting technique is set SMART goals. Okay, so I am going to share with you a free SMART goal sheet. I'm going to give it to you for free. In the end, all you have to do is WhatsApp me, give the reference of V seminar, and I will WhatsApp the goal sheet to you immediately. Okay, so that's my gift to you. So number one, set SMART goals. The reason why we are not able to achieve our goals is because they are not SMART goals. So for example, goals like I want to lose weight, I want to become rich, I want to become famous, I want to be very confident, or are not goals really. Are you getting it? They are wishes. They are wishes. They are dreams. In order for your conscious as well as your subconscious mind to understand them clearly, you got to be setting SMART goals. So S for specific. Be very specific of what you want. Okay. I want to be confident for what? I want to be confident in public speaking, or let's say I want to be confident in networking or in being a leader. So just make it very, very specific. M for measurable. Just remember, measurable means a number. Okay, it's very important that in your SMART goals you have a number. So make it measurable. Okay, how would you measure that confidence? So I want to be confident at speaking, but how would you measure it? So let's say you will measure it by having two webinars. Okay, by having two webinars, because nowadays there is no face-to-face meeting and doing sessions. But on a normal day you could also put it measurable as after conducting two speaking sessions, you know, like you can speak of anything. It doesn't really have to be motivational. It can be any topic which you are a subject matter expertise at. So that's how you measure your goals. Okay, then attainable, the goal has to be attainable. Pay attention over here. Okay, the goal has to be something that pushes you out of your comfort zone. Okay, at the same time it has to be an attainable goal. So it has to be a goal which pushes you outside your comfort zone, gets you excited, and has to be attainable. Like one of my goals is by 2022 I want to impact 1 million people, okay, across the globe, with my motivational workshops online and my books. Okay, now honestly speaking, I've reached a number like 50,000 by now. 2 more years to go. uh, Let me confess, sometimes I really feel, will I be able to really achieve that? But I'm confident. So you know, that's what it is. It gets me excited, it scares me a little bit, but it pushes me out of my comfort zone. Are you getting it, people? Okay, but at the same time it shouldn't be totally unattainable or something that's really not possible. Now, thanks to the lockdown period, I've taken a lot of my trainings online, and I'm reaching, in my lockdown period, I've impacted more than 2,000 people with my online workshops, and I'm reaching different countries also. And that's really amazing. So I know I'll be able to achieve 1 million people, because with my books and with my YouTube channel, it is possible to reach a large amount of audience. Then R is very, very important. Your goal has to be relevant. It has to be important for you. So ask yourself question, why I want to do this. Okay. Let's say it's a weight loss goal. Many people give up on their weight loss goals. But if you have a strong why, my dear friends, as to I want to do this because I want to be a role model for my children, because I want to be healthy for my children and, you know, see them grow up. You can have any why, because I want to run a marathon, because I, you know, want to do a summit, whatever it is. Make sure your goals are relevant for you. Okay. And number T, most important, T is time bound. Give yourself an end time date. It can be any date. Okay, so give yourself a specific date, months and a year, that by this particular time this goal will be accomplished. Okay, so this is the simplest way how I can explain to you the SMART goals. Believe me, it's very effective. I work in variety of corporates. This is the easiest way you can start with your SMART goals. And like I told you, I'll be giving you a free SMART goal sheet with which you can just take a printout, or maybe if you don't have a printout, just open it up. It's going to be a Word file, so you can set your SMART goals. Number 2 powerful technique is visualize your goals. So if SMART goal will help you do your conscious programming, the visualization helps you do your subconscious programming. The visualization helps you do your subconscious programming. So here are 3 quick steps of how you could visualize. Pay attention. The number 1 step for powerful, effective visualization, and so that you're not merely fantasizing, is number 1, see with clarity what is your goal and see yourself achieving that goal with clarity. So number 1 step is clarity. Number 2, feel it. It's very important to feel yourself achieving the goal. Because if you're not feeling the achievement of the goal, and if you're just visualizing it, then it's literally like driving a car without fuel or without very little fuel. Your car is not going to get too long. It's going to break down. Okay. Your feeling is your fuel, my dear friends. Note this down. Feeling is the fuel. Feeling is the energy and the passion that gets you accelerated in your life. Work on your emotions. Work on your feelings. Work on having empowering emotions. Okay, so really feel how it feels to achieve that, because something magical happens when you create the emotion of the achievement of goal. You create the neuro pathways of achieving these goals. So before even these goals happen, you are already preparing your neurology, your hardware, which is your brain, and your software, which is your mind, to welcome your new reality. And the number 3 step for visualization is repeating this. Repeat this 3 to 4 times a day. Believe me, it just takes 2 minutes of focus time. So quickly, what are the steps? 3 steps. Clarity. Okay. Feel it. Feeling is the fuel. And 3, repeat it. Repeat it. Okay. I repeat 100 times. How passionate are you? Okay. How important the goal is for you? I repeat 100 times. At least you can begin with 3 to 4 times. With me, everybody? Okay? Right? देखो, भूखा खाना ढूंढता है, प्यासा पानी ढूंढता है, उसको वही दिखता है. Correct? Have you noticed when you are very hungry, you're coming late from work, you are in the cab, you're constantly looking out where you will get food. You see the restaurants, you see, people having some street food, and you're so tempted to go there. The only thing you're looking out is where you see food. Even in the cab next to you, in the signal, you'll find someone like maybe eating something. You will really feel very hungry, and that is the only thing you will notice. Yes or no? Because that's your hunger. That's what you're hungry for at that moment. My question to you is, how hungry are you for your goals? That much effort you will put. And what you are seeking is also seeking you. So make sure you do that and you focus, right? And the number 3 powerful technique, and the techniques that I've given you are so powerful that you can begin even now. You can begin even now. So I wanted to give you something powerful and something that's very easy also. So a very powerful technique of achieving your goals is writing your goals down. You know what? Your pen is literally like a magic wand. Your pen is literally like a magic wand. What you write will become your reality. So write down your goals. I write down my goals every day. So 3 to 4 goals I write down. Like, for example, my book is the Amazon bestseller, or my book is the, world. So I write down my goals. Let's say I have a next workshop coming up. I will write down this way. So this is how I write. Okay, pay attention. I am happy and grateful that my Visioneering Master class, which starts on June 22, have 35 participants. Okay, this is how I write. So write with I am happy and grateful, like as if the goal is complete. Okay, write with full confidence, write with certainty, and write what you want to achieve. I make sure I do at least 5 minutes of goal writing every day for my important goals. Bilkul time nahi lagta hai, my dear friends. You just need to have that hunger. You just need to have that passion and focus, right? So those were the 3 techniques: a quick revision, the SMART goals, the visualize. What are the 3 steps of visualize? Clarity, feeling, and repetition. And number 3, journaling. Journaling, write in present tense, write like as if complete. Start with I am happy and grateful. Feel that confidence in your pen while you're writing. Write your future, and at least dedicate 5 minutes every day to do this. So that's the end of the session, my dear friends. Thank you very much. So I'll just quickly take you through a quick revision. Why set goals? Number 1 reason, you will get focus in your life and all the negativity will be deleted. That's about me, because it's very important to know who your coach is. 9 reasons, 9 psychological reasons. Number 1, remember I told you, before you create anything, destroy. So you got to be taking care of all these 9 psychological programs. Just delete it. And now these are the 7 steps. Clarity, making an action plan, tracking it, and celebrate. Don't forget. Do a life audit. Take your life seriously. Create a life design. 3 powerful techniques I gave you: SMART goals, I gave you the visualization, and the journaling technique. I gave you easy and effective techniques which you can start now. Now, before I wind up, I'd like to share with you that with Chaitali's support, I'll be doing a special workshop for the Women Entrepreneurs Enclave. We'll be announcing the details of the workshop with you very very soon. The workshop is designed for you to get ultimate results in your life. You are going to get 6 transformational sessions, 6 transformational sessions with a workbook, with worksheets, with videos and self-improvement resources, only for 2100 rupees, only for 2100 rupees. A special offer of 50% discount of, you know, a class which I normally charge 4500 for. So very soon Chaitali will be rolling out the details for that. So thank you, my dear friends, and thank you, Sweetie Chaitali, for this opportunity. Friends, this is my number. Send me a WhatsApp, send me your name and just write "we webinar" and I'll give you 2 free tools. I'm going to give you the SMART goal sheet and I'm going to give you a situation analysis tool, which is called as the Wheel of Life. So I'm going to give you this free tool as my gratitude towards you. And once again, thank you everyone. Thank you, Chaitali, for the opportunity. I hope I timed myself. Dot 30 minutes I finished.
Thank you, Kalyani, so much. Let me tell you, tell you that I had attended Kalyani's for many sessions, but the first session was my goal setting session. And let me tell you, 2 years back when I attended this session, I never received any award. And with the visioning technique that she gives, I achieved more than 17, 18 awards in last 2 years. Kalyani, this is for you. You know, it's only, it has really helped. Your sessions have really helped, and I don't miss your sessions anytime.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, whoever are there, I'm going to roll out. Don't miss her trainings, her programs. They're really amazing.
Thank you.
So let us set smart goals, visualize your goals, and write your goals, and see huge success. So Kalyani, if you can make me the host before leaving. Okay, and I would invite somebody from Kotak team who is